All right, guys. So this is all today's dinner. It is Friday, almost 7 o'clock. I made a nice little fresh salad, baked mac and cheese, fried chicken. Y'all don't look at them couple of pieces. It's a little burnt. Don't worry about that. And I made some butter pecan ice cream and a brookie. Okay, this is dinner. I'm gonna make a plate and I'll show you guys in a minute. All right, guys, this is dinner. A nice salad, mac and cheese, fried chicken, and croissant. That is dinner, guys. Let me put my ice cream back in the freezer so it can freeze. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I just wanted to show you guys our brookies. They are brownies and chocolate chip cookies. Can you see what's going on in here? They are gonna cool off. And I'm gonna cut them. Cooked dinner, and I am about to put butter on my buns, on my cornbread muffins. I just took these out from the oven. The cornbread muffins. I made some jasmine rice, and I cooked this jasmine rice in chicken stock. So nice and creamy. Sauteed zucchini and squash, and baked party wings with a little gravy. All right, guys, so that is his plate. Guys, hey, it is Thursday, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My washer's acting up, so we are at the laundromat, y'all. The laundromat. I ain't been here so long. But yeah, that's what we doing. We getting our clothes together. And yeah. Alright guys, we are here at Aldi's. And what we gonna get. They look so good, don't they? Let's try them.
Well, we tried those before.
Did we try these?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna try them again. Alright guys, I am at Aldi's, and we are in the cute section, honey. Ooh, Kira. Now this is what we need for that kitchen. Look, for them fruit and veggies. Snap. They got, ooh, look at this, y'all. Oh, that's pretty. But they all gray. Don't nobody want no gray bowl. Okay, let's go over here and get some water. Alright guys, we are back from Aldi's. I'm gonna do my little grocery haul. I got 2 dozen of eggs, a pack of hard salami, Swiss cheese, bananas, apples, a bag of spinach, a pack of strawberry applesauce, mandarin oranges. I got almond milk and regular whole milk. I got peanut butter cookie and brownie mix, chocolate chip cookie and brownie mix. I also got mini grams. I got a Bake Shop Struce Danish, which he already done cut. 2 things of raspberries and things of strawberries, some ranch, honey crunch and oat cereal. I got the loaded bacon and cheddar chips, a loaf of white bread, a loaf of wheat bread, and a thing of croissants. And what else? Oh, I got a pack of water. And that is my grocery haul. I'm about to put my stuff up. Good morning, guys. I'm about to make me some cinnamon rolls. I got my brown sugar. I got my butter. And yeah, I'm about to make some cinnamon rolls. I'm about to put this brown sugar on here. Alright. So I'm just gonna roll these. This is how they turned out. They didn't turn out like I thought, but I don't know. It looks like too much brown sugar, too much butter. Alright, y'all, so it's a ZGRL 2 hand ring feel light. I love this light. It's so bright. And like I said, the only thing it needs is like the angle to go this way, but I have to replace this little clip on my thing right here. And that's it. That is it. I flipping love it. And then I like the soft one too. Let me show y'all that. Right here, see, that's the soft light, and that gets bright too. But this right here, that is crazy. And then this vest, y'all, so pretty. They got some cute stuff. Oh, that's a pretty color on you too.
It is.
But that one, yeah, that is it. Yeah, that is it.
Now, if I had a yellow one here,
Yeah.
well, those are.
Oh. Oh, that's cute.
So, and you can also twist it once and put it up and over. You got the flyer, right?
Yeah, I got the flyer. I do, because I definitely want something. I want something like that. I want something like
Little
this.
cake situation.
Yes. I would love that for like
And it comes up into a foil.
me and Daddy anniversary. That would be so cute for our anniversary.
Just give me Legend of Zelda.
Listen.
Yeah, that's the right color, green. Yep.
Oh yeah, this my little hint for his anniversary. Honey, look.
Yo, Jay, okay. Sliding motion. Okay, I didn't know it's always talking. But they never see the time. I'm reading, the way I'm hustling, feeding, the way I eat it makes it for cousin. Was it in discussion? Let's get to the discussion. Yeah, they don't know I'm hustling hard, I shoot for the clean. I hear they talking what they gon' do with us. Beat up like it's shoot 'em up, shoot up me like it's up. But they know they hold it up, so they know what shit is up.
And this a vegan place. With all that cake and stuff over there.
Just vegan vegetarian.
Oh.
Yeah, ready?
It smells like that. These are
Oh
perfumes. They
my God,
perfumes.
these are so pretty. Look at all the containers. So pretty.
Yeah.
I love these.
I really like that one.
Oh, I love the owl. All these.
This one's cute too. Oh, this is the cases.
Pretty, y'all. So pretty. That is so cute. Oh, this is a beautiful spot. So pretty. Guys, it is getting packed and packed and packed. There's so many people. So many people.